Hi everyone, I'm Hong Kong Bunny. Welcome to Legendary Book Channel. Today we want to do first live feed, but sorry, unsuccessfully because we need to learn some more technical skill. Okay. By the way, now I want to introduce some pair we need to fix it and some new pair to show you all, what we have right now. All right, thank you again. All right, so this one, do you guys remember these shoes? Yeah, you see that this is a band here, so we need to fix it. Yeah, the red color, this is my favorite one. The pattern is good, yeah. All right, just come together. Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
This one is good. Yeah, only one side. Okay, this the other one. Let me see. This good. Okay, let's see the other side.
One has a scratch. It's actually
Uh-oh. You see the scratch? The scratch is really big. The area really big, you see. Oh no. Okay, yeah. But others looks good. Yeah, only the bottom part, yeah. Two pair. Okay, the white one. The middle heel. Let's see. The scratch.
one heel's eating. One heel needs to be the heel needs to be fixed. The other one.
Okay, let me check the other one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, this one you need to fix it. The middle heel. You see, you compare. You see that? Okay, the white one. Right. Okay, the other white pair.
Oh, show them the damage.
Okay. All right. This the this okay, but the other side you see that it's fell off. Here we go. Yeah, we need to fix it. Okay. The red one. Still good. The other side for red one. Uh-oh. It's the same. I think it's the main issue. You see that? The black back cap is gone.
Heel cap.
Heel cap. You see it? Yeah. All right. The black color.
The other one.
This good. Huh. Same problem. The heel cap is gone. Yeah. This one. Right.
Heel cap. Yeah.
See this one. A little scratch. And then the heel cap's gone. Look at that. Okay. Both sides, left and right. So all the cap's gone. Okay. The black one. This one. Yes. The caps is gone. Ooh, the gold one. There go. Uh-oh, we're terrible. This one is a scratch. And the other one, the cap's gone and the little scratch. Okay, ay, a pair of black. You see that? Gone. Gone, gone, gone. Okay, this is the last one, the last pair, the white boot. This side's good. This side, I think. This one, same issue. Yeah.
So.
The new pair shoes. Okay, the first one, the black color, you see that? Simple, easy. Yeah, so it's a fit on any outfit, like a evening dress. or James's will be okay. Mmm, smells so good. Here you go. Okay. Yeah, the materials are soft. Yeah, it's a very good quality. Yeah. So you can do this way. You see that the difference? Or this way. Cannot wait to see the model try on this. Okay, this one. Smell one more time. All right. This the white color. Okay, you see the buckle. Here we go. Yes. And the bottom, the design. You see. Ooh. Yeah, it's a softer material too. Yeah, but at the top it's a little hard compared to the previous one. Yeah, inside the material is like this. Yeah, see. Dun, dun. Yes, here we go. Okay, the the white color, simple. Yes, just clean. It's cool. Simple. Yep. Here you go. The heel. Yep. Ooh, really long boot. It's not fit me. How to have the tall models, fit this one. Yes, good material, black color. Yeah, simple, not too much a pattern outside. Yeah, simple. You see that? Here we go. Okay, the red one. Ooh, you see the design here? You see? Ooh. Okay. It's kind of really thick, the material is thick, soft. The heel is like this. It's normal. You go. Do do do. The good one. Yeah, it's thick. The material little hard. Yeah, gold color. You see that? Yeah. Here we go. The pattern is in the back. You see the string. Here we go. Okay. And the white one. Wow. Do, do, do. Really long. Maybe taller than me. Here you go. It's the same. Yeah. The design is right here. It's harder. The material inside is like this. Yeah. Tall. Very tall. Really long. Whew. All right. The black one, oh my god, hella good. The metal heels. You see the material? Ooh, soft. Yeah, and the zipper, the design. Here you go. You see that? Yeah. All right. Ooh. Smell really good. Okay. All right. So this is a new collection we had so far. Yeah. So let me know if you any comment. Yeah. Comment downstairs. Comment below. Okay. Yeah. So we had a new model or some model if you have time. So let them try that out. Yeah. Thank you.
Also, please check out our Facebook pages. Check out our Facebook page. We need your support there.
All right. So thank you for following our YouTube channel. Also, please check out our Facebook page. Yeah, we need your support. Okay. Yeah. See you. Bye bye.